the peatlands are really important for their biodiversity. And one of the most important facets of that is the fact that the area is very, very extensive, and also it's continuous, particularly in the uplands, although the lowland raisemares are very fragmented as a habitat. But what we're interested in is looking at its diversity, its biodiversity. And its diversity is really related to its structure, not really to the species. It's quite poor in species, that's plants and animals. But its structure can be extremely diverse, and that then allows for a wide range of plants, insects and other animals to occupy it. And in international or European terms, the peatlands, at least in the uplands, tend to be really important for an assemblage of breeding birds, species that occur in the Annex 1 directives, for example, and in the national legislation. But it's also important for plants, it's important for invertebrates, and there's very large numbers, for example, of dragonflies that you'll find in some of the peat pools up on the moors. The other feature of the peatlands, though, is that there's a very wide range of drivers that are affecting it. And that varies from air pollution, for example, to burning, grazing, and other factors. And we need to actually look at what would contribute to the best management of that sort of site with those sorts of drivers in place.